What's going on, guys? A beautiful $10,000 Federal Reserve note just sold for a crazy amount of money, so let's talk a little bit about it. This is a Federal Reserve note from the 2231A series. It's a $10,000 note out of Boston from 1934, and it's gorgeous. This thing is graded PMG Choice 64 EPQ, and there's very little of these or equal to these that are out there. This sold back in September for $480,000 at the Long Beach Expo. Now, the Expo altogether broke a bunch of records, especially the coin side, which totaled over $8 million in sales across only two events. Now, the fact that a 1934 $10,000 note finished atop the currency auction is not a huge surprise because of the interest shown in just banknotes. Prices seen in sales through auctions for banknotes are getting crazy. Even the vice president of currency at Heritage Auctions, Dustin Johnson, said that large denomination notes had drawn the most interest in auctions lately. The $10,000 trails only the $100,000 gold certificate issued in 1934. And of the 18 examples that have been graded by PMG, this example is tied for the highest graded. Among all small-size $10,000 Federal Reserve notes, PMG has graded only 5 of them higher. So this is an absolute phenomenal banknote and a bill that they already thought was going to get well over 300 grand and made almost $500,000 in the final bid. Just check out how awesome this note is. It's super clean on the front and back. Again, it's tied for the highest grade by PMG for any note like this one, this $10,000 Federal Reserve note. Let me know what you think about this absolutely great auction piece, and let me know what you've come across in your banknote and coin searches lately in the comments below. I'll see you there, and I'll see you in the next video.